Today's news media offer an overview of what's going on, but some subjects deserve a closer look. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Join me as we investigate current events and issues, bringing you closer to the topics that matter and the people that make them happen. This is Edition. The United States has emerged as an industrial giant, and every day it's striving to become bigger, faster, and better. Join me as we explore the inner workings of American industry. An important part of the construction process is the demolition of existing structures or large rock formations in order to clear the way for new projects. In mining and stone quarrying, this is an everyday requirement. The traditional method is to blow things up with explosives, a highly dangerous, expensive, and time-consuming practice. Using explosives requires specialized skills, permits, insurance, and lots of planning time, resulting in noise, shock waves, flying particles, and dust. This is all very hazardous to people, property, the environment, and makes for poor relations with the neighbors. What if you could accomplish the same thing without the trauma, extensive cleanup, or regulatory red tape? Dexpan is a product that can do the same job silently and without collateral damage of any kind.
Archer Company USA has been providing Dexpan, the non-explosive set-and cracking agent, for over 13 years. Dexpan was developed from Asian concepts and improved with modern technology to provide much higher strength.
Dexpan is simple to use. Drill holes in the structure as if explosives were going to be placed. Complementary hole patterns are available from the technical support team. Select the type of Dexpan depending on the temperature range and mix it with water, then pour it into the holes. As it sets, Dexpan exerts 18,000 pounds per square inch of pressure, effectively splitting any rock or reinforced concrete it's applied to along the lines of the drilling pattern.
Dexpan USA provides technical support to our customers to help with all types of drilling patterns, safety issues, any types of concerns in the use of the Dexpan, and removal of rock or concrete are available Monday through Friday to help the customer get the job done.
If desired, Dexpan can be applied to one part of a structure or rock face, leaving another part unaffected. While one part of a project is setting and expanding, workers can be preparing and drilling another part of the same structure. Dexpan can even work underwater.
We were trying to break rock in a trench for utilities. We used our jackhammer on a skid loader and just was not getting anywhere. And we used the Dexpan, and 24 hours later we had our trench done, filled, and completed, which had taken us 4 or 5 days in the previous job. We needed a faster way without destroying equipment, something cost efficient, and this Dexpan did the job for us in 24 hours. It does it without explosions. It's very, very safe. We use it every day.
In quarries where decorative stone is being unearthed, Dexpan can be a vital tool as it doesn't damage any of the valuable stone being harvested, such as limestone, marble, granite, sandstone, flagstone, or onyx.
We have 100 distributors throughout the U.S., 20 distributors worldwide. We are also available at Home Depot for do-it-yourself home users, as well as for contractors.
Explosives are not only difficult to use, they are expensive and extremely dangerous, with new regulatory hurdles constantly being added.
Dexpan is the strongest product on the market. With the help of our technical staff, only Dexpan is able to break concrete slab less than 6 inches in depth, and only Dexpan can be used for underwater demolition.
There are places you just wouldn't want to set off explosives, like hospitals, schools, commercial areas, residential neighborhoods, or airports. Now the necessary demolition work can be achieved without the traditional blast or any of its accompanying fallout.